In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and use an X-Ray texture pack on Minecraft. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by searching up X-Ray Ultimate Curse Forge. Now, for this, you're going to click on the first option right here, and you're going to click on Files. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of different files, but you're going to make sure to use the one that is for the version that you're going to be playing. So I'm going to download this one and click on Download. Now it's going to start downloading in just a moment, and then once it is downloaded, you're going to make sure that you know where the file is actually downloaded to. Now, once you've done this, you're going to go onto your Minecraft, and you're going to make sure to click on Options, click on Resource Packs, and click on Open Pack Folder. Now it'll open up something that looks like this, and as you can see, I do have resource packs that are already in there. But from there, I'm going to drag the download from my folder into resource packs, and then it will show up right here. You're going to be able to select it, and then once you load up Minecraft, it will use the actual texture pack. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.